Welcome. In this video, we are going to look at problem 18. It is from section 2.1 of College Algebra 2E by OpenStax. In this problem, we need to find the distance between 2 points. We need to simplify our answer and write the exact answer in simplest radical form for irrational answers. All right, so the first thing I like to do is mark up the ordered pairs. The first is always an x, so I just make that one x1. The second one is always a y, so I just make that y1. And then for the second pair, I remind myself these are x2, y2. All right, now write down the distance formula. It is the square root of x2 minus x1 squared plus y2 minus y1 squared. And all this is doing is it's an application of the Pythagorean theorem. And so we're finding the two lengths between the x coordinates and the y coordinates. All right, and so we have x2 is 7 minus x1 is 2. We squared that plus y2 is 4 minus y1 is minus 5. So we need to write minus 5 and then we square that. Okay, 7 minus 2 is 5 and we square that. A minus minus is a plus, so we have 4 plus 5. All right, 5 squared is 25. 4 plus 5 is 9, and we need to square that. So we have 25 plus 81, and they make 106. And so our answer is the square root of 106. There's no nice number multiplied by itself that makes 106. And so this will be an irrational answer, and this is the simplest radical form. I hope that was helpful. Let me know in the comment section if you have any questions. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.